Hey YouTube, Gallagher123123 back with another hotel room tour for you all. In this one, we're going to be taking a look at a king bed room, which happens to be room 523 at the Sheraton Springfield Monarch Place Hotel in Springfield, Massachusetts. So let's go ahead and take a look to this one kind of quickly because I am exhausted. So let's just do this one. So when we come in, of course, there's the door, and if we face forward into the room, on the left, actually you have to move forward a little bit, you'll feel there's a switch that will turn on and off some lighting. So I'll leave that on for now. And on the right, as we come in to the room, we do have our bathroom. And the light switch for this is on our left. So here it is. Very, very nice. Yeah, I guess pretty standard. Coming in, you have the toilet, and then the toilet on the front, tub on the right, and shower, and sink there on the left with good pressure, I would say. So that's good, and there's a mirror up above, so hello, there I am. And so that's the bathroom. Of course, you have your toilet paper kind of next to the toilet there, under the sink a bit, and that's the bathroom. Now, as we have been doing in our tours, let's do this. So I don't know what is up with that little sound at the end there. It's been doing that since I got here yesterday. So that's that. It is kind of a small bathroom, I guess. But, you know, it does the job. I'll close the door so you can see. Alright, so that's the bathroom. Let's come out of here. And, yeah, I'll shut the light off on the way out. Then continuing, oops, that's the door. What helps if I turn right instead of left? Okay, so then continuing on our right, actually we have our closet space right next to the bathroom. And it's a sliding door. So I'll slide it forward there. And there's a look at that. I just have one item in there. Now, is there a safe? I actually didn't look. Oh, indeed there is of some kind. Let's see, is it the same kind we've had in the other hotels recently? Yep. Okay, we did that. So there's the safe. That's in the closet, so let's go ahead and close the closet. And on our left, next to the closet, there is a mirror, so you can see myself there. Hello. All right, continuing into the room on the left now. We do have kind of the countertop area. And a coffee maker is there for us. That's nice. TV. I have some items up there from the convention that I'm attending here this weekend. And then we come forward to the phone and desk area with a few other items on it. But where we started with the bureau, we have the bed as well. And so, I have a nice big comfy king bed this time. And I quite like it. And next to each bed, next to each side there's a nightstand. And there are plugs on either nightstand. So, on this one, so I guess on the right side of the room, there is the plugs. There's a little device next to the lamp that has the plug on it. So as you see there, I have one thing connected, and so that's there. And on the other side, if we walk around the bed here, this nightstand has another phone, but the plug is also on the lamp on this side. So that is that. And then next to the bed, we do have, if we keep going forward a bit, a little sitting area with a nice comfortable chair and a table. So you could put a little coffee table, I guess. You could put your drink there and all that good stuff. And that actually does it for this, I think. Because as we keep going straight, we come to the desk, which I just showed you a moment ago. So I think we did it. Take a quick glance around. I'm sure there are little things I missed, but I was also trying to do this one a bit on the quicker end of things. So this was a tour of my room here at the Sheraton Springfield Monarch Place Hotel in Springfield, Massachusetts. Again, this is room 523. So, quite comfortable. Definitely gets the job done. Okay, I'll turn around and look at the full room view. Alright, so that does it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give the video a like. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified about upcoming videos. Follow me on Twitter at Gallagher123123. You can also find me on Mastodon at Gallagher123123 at dragonscave.space. Thank you again for watching. We will see you in an upcoming video.